All right, indoor section. A lot more vendors than there were last year. Let's take a look at some stuff. Don't know what to start off with. It's always kind of the hardest part. Oh, some nice fluorite. Almost looks like a gemmier version of yttrium. Is that some crystallized prehnite? I love to carve this stuff from South Africa. The stone of prophecy and dream interpretation. Do you like prophecies and dream interpretation?
Definitely.
Nice. I carve a lot of this material, and sometimes it'll have like these little rods of olivine. How you doing, my friend? Good to see you again, brother. Is this prehnite from Africa? Oh, nice. Nice specimen version. I'm used to seeing like the long bubbly sheets. Oh. But I like the specimen version too. Do you sell by the piece or by the bin?
About.
Nice. Oh, look at that. What's that? Pyritized calcite? Actually, that is really cool. I've never seen anything like that before.
Yeah, I know. Nice up to take this one home with us.
I also make it up as I go. I really don't know anything. I have a phone in my pocket and I'm just Googling everything. Just kidding. No prices on these, but these are awesome. Just like some pyritized quartz with some chalcopyrite. What is it called? Chalcopyrite, the peacock ore. You like that one?
Yeah.
You want it?
Yeah.
Nice. We'll go buy it.
Well, let's see how much we asked for it. Will you ask for how much?
Of course. Look at this beautiful specimen.
Ooh, that's
Looks like some hematite and some amethyst. A little bit of calcite down here on the bottom. That is actually super cool. All right, we got that one cool piece for $15. The gentleman asked for 20. We settled on 15. Pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen fluorite with that pyrite on there. Is the fluorite with pyrite, is that from Brazil?
From Morocco.
Oh, Morocco. Nice. Here's some nice rubellite. I think. I'm out of the game, man. I don't even know anymore. But it is totally awesome. You know, these folks have a really nice layout for their specimens. If there was prices on them, I think it would be a lot easier to sell them. But sometimes they don't price everything because in Tucson the price might be different, and so you have to reprice every single thing. And it's better if people just ask. But then some people are intimidated to ask. You know, that piece that we just bought, you know, someone might think it cost $150 even though it was only $15, and not knowing the price discourages folks from buying. Are these what they call dog tooth calcites? I don't know. Lots of Moroccan goodies. Some wolfenite, crystallinis, crystal skin. Sit here all day checking out these beautiful specimens, but we are gonna move along. These are cool. Hematite covered quartzes. Absolutely beautiful. I like that one.
Okay. For like...
What's your favorite pieces, brother?
Fluorite.
Out of all, oh really, the fluorites?
Yes.
The greens, the purples, or the?
Yeah, the purples.
Oh, the purples, yeah. Purple's fantastic. These folks from Morocco are super nice, but we must keep moving. I'm only gonna be here until Monday during closing. Then on Tuesday, 12-hour ride to Kansas. $25 a kilogram, polychrome jaspers. Can you tell a kilo by holding it? That's less than a kilo for sure.
Yeah, not even.
I'm thinking 1.7 pounds. I don't know what this is. Doesn't look like a petrified wood, but they are hearts, $30 a kilo. Definitely super mass produced, like as fast as possible, production style. My favorite hearts are the anatomically correct hearts, with the valves and stuff.
Yeah. They're a little creepy, but...
I like creepy. Jasper. $18 to $20 a kilo for these flame towers. What do you think this weighs? 5 kilos. At least 5. Turtles. My sister told me to get her turtles. I told her there'll be a bazillion different turtles and that tchotchke animals are sold by everybody. I'd rather buy like a real Zuni turquoise piece than the mass-produced turtle, but they're still cool. Look at that one. This one's goofy. Definitely coated in some kind of resin to keep them shiny, make them a little bit more durable. Lots of selenite, different things, bowls. This is, what would you call that? An ashtray, right? It's like 1970s ashtray shape. The selenite bowls are really cool. I don't really get into crystal medicine much, but you know, they use this stuff for cleansing, right? Cleansing the crystals. I bought a book from Big Five about it. Is it Big Five? Five Below. But these bowls are actually really cool. Maybe I should get one for Lynn. Maybe I should just not spend any money ever again. These are obviously plated.
Oh yeah. Still pretty color.
In a lot of identification groups, you'll find people who find, you know, goofy plated and painted, dyed stuff, you know, and they'll claim they found it. And a lot of people give them flack about it, but I'm like, I've also found dyed crystal in the wild, and what it was is someone found out it was dyed and didn't want it anymore, so they put it back in the wild. But no one's, a lot of people aren't going to believe people until they experience that. All right, keep moving along. Here's something I've never seen before. I've never seen anybody take the time to make Fordite beads before. It's kind of unique. Oh yeah, too much work.
Interesting.
What do you sell a strand of the Fordite beads for? That is really cool.
Very cool.
I'm not a big fan of cutting Fordite. It's gotta be poisonous.
$100 minimum.
Not bad. It saves a lot of time.
It's just, you can't buy that.
Each strand is 120.
120 a strand. Not bad. You could take these apart and make a necklace out of each one and get $120 each. Very nice.
Wow, they're really cool.
Yeah, they are very cool. That's something new I definitely haven't seen before. And they're nicely done. I don't know how to get a good polish on this material. Some people are telling me to use paint polish for cars, like what you'd use to buff your cars. Some people are telling me like different compounds, like turtle wax and stuff. Armando and Sons get a really good polish, and I don't remember what they told me, but
These are cool with the pink and the green on one side and then the red on the other. They're all just so different. Each side reversible.
definitely look like Ford Focus colors.
Very cool.
Awesome. Big skull, kind of cartoony. Still pretty cool. Frame is nice, but look at the head. That's nice. It's repolished on the side, but not in the middle there. Most likely from Brazil. I think all of this stuff here is from Brazil. Oh yeah, those are definitely from Brazil. I wonder what this went for. But I want to show you these things. These are cool. Sold by weight. It's a cool, unique version of the flames. I like the crystal bases. That's really cool. But I see 3.4 kilograms. If it's 70 a kilo, 70 times 3.4, over 200, right? There we go. It's a nice flame. Unfortunately, it's been damaged, so they taped it off. But if you're a Lapidary, you could fix that and save yourself some money. Or if you don't care, you could probably definitely get it at an awesome discounted price. I wonder if the different colored stickers are like color coordinating the price per weight. Looks like Danny's buying everything. $4,000 talks, $27.50 walks, baby. That's a cool rubelite inside a marble with a crusty crown. I actually like that a lot. Looks good. There's some more rubelite with whatever this crusty stuff on is. It's almost its own natural skull. I kind of like this better than the carving. Some watermelon tourmaline with that crusty stuff. The base is really cool. It's not really copper, it's painted. $60 for the flames. $60 a kilo. These are nice. All of these shapes are repolished. If you're into crystal medicine, that might affect you wanting this kind of stuff, but I think they're cool and they do a really good job. Looks like they're taking to it about, I don't know, maybe 1,000, 1,200 grit before they nail it with some cerium oxide.
People claim it as soon as it's out.
Pretty cool. Crest. I love the crusty minerals. Mica and tourmaline. $15 a kilo. I'm better at holding a kilo than I am pounds from going to so many gem shows. $50 a kilo if you pick it, but if you buy the full tray, it's $35 a kilo. What are these? Epido, $5 each. You folks watching who like to buy stuff like this for resale, you could easily resell these for $25, $35 each. The farther away you get from the Denver Gem Show during the Denver Gem Show, the more money you can get selling these. Same thing with Tucson. Nice smokies. This one's got some rutile in it. Little golden needles. I always get paranoid cutting that stuff. That's beautiful. If you're into reselling crystals, these guys seem pretty decent. Ah, even better. Those, you can't pick out which one you want. I don't get it. Is it $270 for the whole tray? Maybe. But, yeah, but then why would it say no select if it's for the whole tray, you know? Yeah, so why would it say no select then? Oh yeah, but if there's none around it, whatever. Who cares? I don't know. Thinking too much. Oh, they are nice. These are cool. Looks like some kind of stick agate or something. I really don't know. Mixed amongst some rutile and some other quartzes, but they're all repolished. For me, that kind of kills the vibe, but sometimes you can get a lot more for a very nicely done repolish than even slightly damaged natural, so I totally understand. All right.